Nafs was that it is like a wild horse. Just as a wild horse does not want to be tamed, you cannot go and just sit on a wild horse and start riding it. It will kill you. That's how powerful a horse is, that if it wants to finish you off, it can easily finish you off. But when you do, certain things, after a while that horse gets tamed, and then it becomes such a strong ally of yours that it is so perfectly tamed, it is so obedient to you now that it is even willing to give its own life for you, right? That's why the horses that go into war, they are warrior horses, are a sight to behold. When they go in, you need to, you really admire that the courage, the valor with which they go in, and they know exactly what they are doing. It's not like, they don't have a sense of where we are going. They know very well that we are going into a fight, and they go and fight. It's likewise, the horses that are used for, use a bit less aggressive example for polo. The polo horses are very intelligent, strong horses. They know, they are, just like sportsmen are competitive, they are competitive. They know that, if we give it an extra mile, we can get something done. So just as a wild horse gets tamed to become an extremely well trained horse, the nafs can also go from an extremely out of control nafs to a nafs which is a perfect obedient nafs.